The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO has issued a press statement expressing concern over the delay in the finalization of the framework agreement on the Naga issue FNT. The organization stated that the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA had presented the highlights of the draft MOS for FNT to the state government in December 2023 with a deadline for feedback set for December 31st of the same year. However, despite commitments from the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Government of India to resolve the FNT before the implementation of the Election Model Code of Conduct (EMCC), the ENPO disclosed that the state government has yet to provide its comments on the draft to the central government. This delay has led to a significant setback in the FNT process, preventing its materialization before the announcement of the Lok Sabha 2024 elections. In response to this impasse, the Eastern Nagaland public has taken a decisive stance, opting to abstain from participating in the upcoming elections. The ENPO attributes this decision directly to the failure of the state government to fulfill its obligation of submitting feedback on the highlights of the draft MOS to the Government of India. This delay in the settlement of FNT is unacceptable, especially given the commitments made by the MHA and the Government of India, remarked a spokesperson for the ENPO. The Eastern Nagaland community has shown its resolve by abstaining from the electoral process, sending a clear message that the timely resolution of the Naga issue is paramount. The ENPO has urged both the state government and the Government of India to expedite the process and prioritize the settlement of the FNT. The organization emphasizes that the aspirations of the Eastern Nagaland people must not be overlooked or delayed any further.